hindi ba ang magical yung minsan you just let life lead you to where you're supposed to be, kesa parang, hindi, dapat nandito ako!
Yeah.
Nandito ako! Even in relationships, na parang, sometimes maganda na, okay, you just let someone pass through and you let go.
Yeah.
Yun na yun. Huwag ka nang mag-hold on. Please, please, please stay, please stay. Hindi. The right people, they won't leave.
Yeah.
The right opportunities will come to you. So important to know kung sino ka. So important to know kung sino ka. And ang hirap nun, ang hirap hanapin kung sino ka pag ang ingay ng mundo. And not one person asks you, what do you want to do? I didn't know na when you experience assault, the first thing you should do is get a medical legal certificate sa ospital na parang patunay na may nangyari sa'yo. I didn't know that. Katapat ko na yung PGH, UP Manila, PGH, yun na yun eh. I didn't know. I just took a photo. So now, nung nagkaroon ng kasuhan, hindi malakas ebidensya ko kasi it was just a photo. May mga witness statements. Parang sabi nung isang guard, hindi naman po siya sinakal. Nakita lang siya na may coaching parating. Tapos mababangga na siya. Kaya niya ginawa yun. Tapos babae yung nagsulat nun. So I remember walking to her, parang nasa in front of the library yun. Sabi ko, ate, paano mo yan kayang gawin sa kapwa mo babae? Sabi nga, sinabi ko lang naman yung totoong nangyari. Sabi, hindi yan yung totoo. Alam mo, hindi yan yung totoo. Tapos umiiyak talaga ako. Ate, hindi yan totoo. Alam mo, paano mo yan kayang gawin sa kapwa mo babae? So, umiiyak ako. And then, biglang may professor na lalaki lumapit sa akin. Sabi niya, this is not the place for you to do that. Go do that somewhere else. Sumiyak ako sa sahig. Tapos may babaeng lumapit. Sabi niya, babae ako, naniniwala ako sa'yo. Sasamahan kita. So, sinamahan niya ako. Nag-file ako ng case, ganyan, whatever. Ayun. So, basically, sorry, nagka-times forward, nag-skip ako. Ayan. So, yan, basta may ganong nangyari. And then, nagkaroon ng kasuhan. So, sobrang traumatic nun dahil, alam mo yung 19 years old ka, tas dapat yun yung age na masaya eh. 19 is supposed to be a fun age. Alam mo yung, papasok ako sa school, kakabahan ako kasi yung guard lalapit, may brown envelope, may subpoena, or may mga court chururot, mga papeles ng mga lawyer. Tapos makikita mo, puro kasinungalingan. Tapos sabi ko, wow, may mga tao na kaya nilang gawin to. Pangarap ko dati mag-lawyer pa nga. Sabi ko, hindi ko na pala ata kaya mag-lawyer kasi
Kung ganito yung...
bakit ganun? Bakit sobrang baling-bali yung kwento? Tas, nakakawala pala ng dignidad at ng humanity yun na sa court, tatanungin sa'yo, ano bang suot mo nung nangyari yun, nung sinakal ka?
Parang kasalanan mo pa, no? Parang, ano bang ginawa mo para mangyari to? Parang may ganong questioning.
So, yung suot ko na, naka-sleeveless ako at shorts. O ano ngayon? Ginusto ko ba yun na sinakal niya ako sa harap ng school, mag-e-exam ako? Tapos, parang, nakipag-sex ka na ba sa lalaking to? Nagustuhan mo ba? Kasi habang sinasakal niya ako, sinasabi niya, pak, gumagano siya sa akin. Just because, nung nakipag-break na ako sa kanya, may mga maniligaw ako. Ganyan, so parang feeling niya, pak daw ako. Yung pak, gumagano siya. So ako, parang, bakit? So imagine, may lalaking sinakal ka in front of school, nasa korte ka ngayon, ang tinatanong sa'yo, anong suot mo? Did you enjoy having sex with this guy who hurt you? And sabi nga, pokpok ka, bakit? Ilang taon na ba have you slept with? Sabi ko, bakit po ganito yung mga tinatanong nyo?
Hindi about the incident.
Tsaka, bakit ako yung kine-question? Hindi siya.
Yeah.
So, kumbaga parang, feeling ko ako yung masama Alam mo yun? Nakakawalang dignidad talaga. Tapos ang hirap-hirap nun because the world was so noisy. Of course, ikaw yung president ng sorority mo, so may pressure na, gusto ko ipaglaban to. Kasi, I fight for women empowerment, for justice. And then yung family ko parang, pwede bang itigilan natin to kasi so stressful for the family. Kasi, grabe talaga yung drama sa pamilya nun. Parang, syempre, yung safety namin, alam mo yun? And then, basta ang daming people were saying so many different things. People from church were saying something different. My family, and And at 19, parang, sabi niya, ito gawin ko. Anong gagawin ko? Tapos nag-freeze ako nun. Tapos yung age na yun, alam mo, hindi pa fully developed yung frontal lobe mo. Hindi mo alam. Kaya, sobrang laki nung, about self-concept. It's so important to know kung sino ka. It's so important to know kung sino ka. And ang hirap nun, ang hirap hanapin kung sino ka pag ang ingay ng mundo. And not one person asks you, what do you want to do? Nobody asked me, what do you want to do? Ano bang gusto mo? It's always, do this. So, that happened in 2015. Mga 2021 or 2022, nag-therapy ako. Kasi akala ko okay na ako, pero hindi pa pala. Kasi one time, nasa MOA ako, may nakita akong lalaki na akala ko kamukha nung harasser ko. Nasa gitna ako ng mall, bigla akong gumanon sa sahig. Na parang, bakit ganun? A person in their right mind, hindi iisipin na gagawin yun ever. Yung gagawin ka sa sahig. So, ang daming tao, mukhang tanga. Pero at that point, parang that was the only right thing to do. Kasi diba, I was working in ABS-CBN. 2019 ata to. Nag-OT ako parang mga 10 p.m. na nun. May office mate pa akong kasama. Tapos pag ganun ko, akala ko, ex ko, yung harasser. Ginawa ko, nagtago ako sa ilalim ng lamesa. Gumagano. Akala mo, lumilindol. As in, nasa ilalim ako ng lamesa. Tapos yung friends ko, parang anong nangyayari? Diyan pa ba siya? So, clearly, I'm not okay. And then, mga 2021, 2022, doon ako nagparang, you know what, kailangan ko na mag-therapy.
Yeah.
Kasi,
this would be considered like PTSD na, no?
Hindi ko pa alam kasi parang hindi pa siya na-diagnose. But at that point, parang kahit walang diagnosis, I just knew like na parang kailangan ko ng tulong.
Yeah.
So, nagpa-therapy ako. So, sobrang helpful siya. So, nagkaroon ng sessions. And then, there was this one session na sabi ng therapist, sige, i-imagine mo ulit ang September 16, 2015. Ano yung suot mo nun? So, black na top, na floral kimono, black na shorts. Tapos, imagine mo yung lugar, Padre Faura. May mga jeep, may mga tao, may nagtitinda ng yosi. Kasi sobrang clear na parang feeling mo nandun ka. Anong nangyari? Shit, nandun na naman. Okay, now nakikita mo siya. Parang dinala talaga ako ng therapist to that day. Now, nakikita mo yung 19-year-old self mo, anong ginagawa niya ngayon. Nakaupo sa gutter, umiiyak. Anong gagawin mo? Tatabihan ko siya, yayakapin. Tapos tatanungin ko, anong gusto mong gawin? Tapos sabi ng therapist, that's very interesting. Kasi sa mga sessions natin, lagi mong sinasabi, galit na galit ako sa kanya, ang tanga-tanga niya. Hindi niya man lang naisip na gawin to, gawin niya. Churut. Like, sobrang galit ako sa sarili ko for years. And she said, isn't it interesting na sa lahat ng mga sessions natin, galit na galit ka sa kanya, and now tinanong ko sa'yo, ano yung gusto mong gawin? Nung sinabi mo, what do you want to do? Then I said, kasi 19 lang siya nun eh. Hindi niya naman ginusto yun eh. Sino ba may gustong mangyari yun? Sino ba yung alam ang gagawin? Nobody prepares you for that. And at the end of the day, she just wanted her power back. Ask her, what do you want to do? Kasi kapag na-experience mo pala yun, nung tinanggalan ka ng power, nakakawala ng dignidad. Sobra. Tapos sobrang importanteng tanungin sa tao, anong gusto mong gawin? Yun. Yun lang pala kailangan ko. So ngayon, like whatever I do now, gusto ko, hinihil ko yung 19-year-old self ko na yun.
Through comedy, through all this. Pero grabe, ang lalim nung parang pinaghuhugutan mo nga from that. Kasi parang, ang hirap na binablame ka for, ikaw yung victim eh. Tapos ikaw pa yung gina-question.
Yeah.
Sobrang annoyed. Alam mo, sobrang annoyed talaga ako. Yung sa mga taong sinasabi na, bakit yung mga sa rape victims, di ba? Parang, ba't ka na-rape? Ano ba yung suot mo? Ganyan. Tapos, hindi ba, yung rapist yung may dahilan. Hindi dahil lasing siya, hindi dahil ganto, hindi dahil ganyan. Yung rapist yun, hindi yung victim. So parang ganun din yung sa'yo na, parang ang hirap na pagdaanan nun, tas at such a young age.
Yes, it's parang, yun yung parang during the court hearings, yung mga tao parang, huy, maawa ka naman sa kanya, 19 lang din siya, paano yung pamilya niya, siya yung tatay, yung breadwinner ng pamilya niya, ganun na parang, wait, so ako din, problema ko din yun. It's just a whole other thing. But anyway, natutunan ko kasi, during that whole season in my life, ginagawa ko siyang joke. Na parang sinasabi ko sa mga tao, grabe no, yung ibang tao, sinasakal lang sila ng boyfriend nila, hindi pinapayagan, gumala. Ako, literal, sinakal ako. As in, ginagawa ko siyang joke na gano'n. Or parang, basta, parang ginagawa ko siyang stand-up comedy pag when I hang out with my friends. And then, so I took my master's in psychology. Taking my master's in psychology, I talked to one of my professors. I said, ma'am, bakit po ganon? Di ba sobrang bigat nung pinagdaanan ko? Sobrang traumatic. Bakit ko siya pinagtatawanan? Bakit parang hindi normal yung response ko? Sobrang sakit kaya nung nangyari sa akin. Sobrang sakit. Hindi ko alam bakit ko siya pinagtatawanan. And then my prof said, there's a part of your brain na alam na hindi niya kayang i-process yung pain na yun. It is so fiercely painful and traumatic na pag finally process mo, pwede kang mag-shutdown. And yung paggawa mo ng comedy na to, it's your body's way of protecting you na, sige, given with the pain that's here, yung humor yung magpapa-move forward sa'yo, sige, gawin natin yan. And I found that so beautiful. Na bakit ko nga ba inaaway sarili ko? Napaka-abnormal mo naman na may pinagdaanan ka, tapos pinagtatawanan mo. Ano ba yan? Pero yun pala, pinoprotektahan ko pala sarili ko. Yun pala, minamahal ko yung sarili ko na hindi. Ang sakit-sakit dyan, tara dito tayo. Tawa tayo, halika. Oo nga, no? We don't know it, but we are our own best friend. Na pinaprotektahan lang pala natin sarili natin. Our body knows. Our body knows.
And this was your way. And for others, di ba, kunyari, ibang forms of art. It could be writing songs or painting. And yung sa'yo, this comedy, yung para sa'yo. So, ang ganda nga na ganun yung parang naging coping mechanism din. Tsaka as a way to heal yourself.
And also a way to process it.
Yeah.
No? Na parang, yun nga, healing is not a one-size-fits-all. Yung iba, nag-heal sila, ayun nga, sabi mo, through many different things. But humor, isa na yun dun. Kaya di ba pag malungkot tayo, gustong-gusto natin nakikinig sa movies or sa series, sa podcast. Gusto nating parang tumatawa tayo. It's okay. Yeah, art is so healing.
Yeah.
Parang may quote nga, I forget kung sino nagsabi nun. Parang from a movie ata to. Something like, yung mga doctors, engineers, scientists, sila yung nag-create ng life na
Dead
livable. Ayun.
Yeah.
Na livable for us, diba? Pero yung mga artists, poets, musicians, they make a life worth living. So, kailangan natin sila both.
Ang ganda no, na yun nga, yung sa science and all that. Pero we live because of art nga and expression.
It's parang feeling ko nga, naging parang end of a cycle din siya na parang growing up, maging doktor ka to heal others.
Yeah.
Tapos ngayon, komedyante ako because I also help people heal through laughter.
Yeah.
Tapos parang may mga tao nagme-message na, sa ospital daw sila, tapos natatawa daw sila sa videos.
Oh.
Parang yun daw yung habang nasa ospital, nanonood sila ng videos to help pass time. Or parang yung isa na-touch ako na parang sobrang may pinagdadaanan siya and feeling niya nakahanap siya ng friend through the videos on the internet. Tapos yung isa parang nasunugan daw ng bahay, tapos sila daw ng family niya, parang magkaroon ng sense of normalcy, sabay-sabay daw silang nanonood ng mga videos na parang, hindi mo alam na sobrang simple lang nung ginagawa mong video. But for other people, it gives them normalcy.
Mhm.
Na important yun when something life-changing happens to you, na sobrang umiba yung buhay mo, shit.
Mhm.
Tapos may pinagdadaanan ka. Minsan you just want something na, can I just feel normal for 1 minute?
And that's what you get to give to other people. And yung podcast din, yun yung nabibigay nga to others.
Oo, chicks to go.
Yeah. So, curious din ako actually, how did that start? Like, paano ba yung naging conversation yun ni Miss Ash na, like, gawa tayong podcast, ganyan. Paano ba yun?
Noong 2024 talaga namin nakita yung, when you know, you just know. Kasi we both came from long-term relationships. So ako 6 years, siya 5 years. Pero ako I dated after. So after 6 years, may mga dinate ako, ganyan. So pareho kami na single. So parang gusto na namin ng real love, ganyan. And then doon kami nag-connect. So nag-uusap-usap kami. Online friends lang kami. We just watch each other's videos. And then nung birthday nga, nag-message ako. She invited me to her birthday. And then we clicked. So sabi namin, sige, since pareho tayong single ngayon, tayo na lang mag-date. So nag-running date kami, nag-golf kami. Yung mga restaurant na gusto naming puntahan. Tapos one day, nanonood kami ng movie Inside Out 2.
Okay.
So umiiyak kami sa sinihan. Yung mga tao, bakit sila umiiyak sa animation?
Oy, naiyak din ako doon.
Nung siya.
Nung si Joy, parang sinabi niya, binigay ko na yung lahat. Ay, Tagalog. Pirated na ba? Pirated niya napanood ko. Parang yung basta nung sinasabi ni Joy na parang I gave it everything, tas wala na, hindi ko na, eto na yon, this is it. Parang, I feel you, ganun, diba?
Yung sabi nga, maybe that's the thing, syempre hindi siya verbatim, or something like, maybe that's what happens when you grow up. The joy lessons.
Maturity, so adulting.
So, ayan, so ang dami naming feelings after that. So, parang nag-usap kami ng sobrang tagal. And I was like, you know what? We should make a podcast. Tapos sabi nga, yung mga podcast, di ba, puro self-development. Ganyan sabi ko, hindi mag-podcast tayo, naggaguhan lang. Sige, manggagaw lang tayo. Wala pang gano'n. Wala pang podcast. Na nanggagago lang talaga tayo. Okay. Tapos, pati yung pangalan kasi favorite ko talaga yung manok.
Okay.
So, sabi ni Ash, something about chicks. Kasi diba, chicks tayo. Sabi ko, chicks to go. Kasi favorite ko yung chicks to go. Sabi ko, joke lang. Sabi nga, hindi, maganda. Sabi ko, hindi siya maganda. Chicks to go, ano yun? Hindi, maganda siya. Sige, so chicks to go. Tapos yung gawin natin 2 kasi dalawa tayo. Sige. So, nag-connect lang kami ganon. Tapos yun, nagulat kami kasi literally, it was just a podcast na parang 2 friends lang na kakasingle. Tapos, parang nanggagago lang talaga kami. Like, wala siyang purpose.
Like, share lang.
Pinag-uusapan lang namin. Kunwari, yung mga dating fails namin or mga pet peeves namin. Tapos biglang, bakit siya pinapakinggan ng mga tao? Kasi
parang yung nag-viral mo din na boom vagina. Parang ganun lang din yung
Kasi nakakatawa yung mga comment ng tao. Parang ang saya tuloy maging single. Dahil sa kanila, iba nakakamiss maging single. Yung iba parang, parang ang gaan-gaan lang. Yung point ng podcast namin is, we also want people to know na yung enjoying life, yung love, you can have it through friends. And life is so colorful na single ka man or hindi. Ano mo yun? And then,
I think it's also the relatability na parang yung stories na hindi mo sinishare publicly. Kayo kaya nyong i-share. So parang, pag napapanood ng people, parang, ganun din ako pero hindi ko kayang sabihin sa mga tao. Pero sila, kaya nila. So, feeling ko, isa din yun na nakaka-relate sila sa stories nyo. Na kahit para sa inyo, para kaguhan lang. Pero, sobrang meaningful for other people. So, thank you. Thank you dahil ginagawa niyo yan.
Thank you. Sobrang namin ni Ash yun. bingo. I mean, plot twist. Sobrang plot twist siya of 2024 na, oh my God, ang galing na naka-form kami ng online barkadahan. Grabe,
Yeah.
sobrang cute-cute ang supportive ng mga chicksters.
Congratulations
Thank
ulit
you.
with that.
Thank you. Congrats din sa pillow
Thank you,
talk.
thank you. So, yung kanina, mention mo din, yung love life mo naman. So, interested din ako, i-ano natin. Parang,
Ano to, MMK?
buong
Gagawa ba
buhay
tayo
mo talaga.
autobiography?
So, parang kung naka-MMK ka, pwedeng ito na yung isang
Ito na po yung
panoorin nila.
reference
Oo.
niyo. Oo.
So, love story na mga ilan ba? Yung official na jowas. Ganyan.
High school, college, and then yung long-term ko. And then, kino-consider mo ba ang 6 months?
I mean, kung official na ano talaga, na
sige.
merong pag-uusap na we're together. Yes pa rin.
Okay. Ayun. So, 4? Tama na, 4. Yeah. And then I dated then.
Here and there, ganyan.
Yeah.
Tapos ngayon, single, both single.
Single, sobra.
Yeah.
Oo.
And then ngayon ba, parang meron ka na bang, like, I guess like a checklist or main things na gusto mo in a person?
Oo. Yun nga yung kagandahan ng parang pagiging single. Kasi, buong buhay ko, lagi akong may boyfriend. Di ako nababakante. 13 years old pa lang.
Oh my God. As soon as nag-teenager po siya, ready to mingle.
Magka-period na ako.
Okay,
Okay, dalaga na ako. Magbo-boyfriend na ako.
oh my God.
Sabi ko, Diyos ko. Buong buhay ko, 13 to, ilang taon na ba ako? 28 years old. Ilan years yun? 15 years?
Oh.
15 years akong, ang alam kong identity ko ay maging girlfriend. Sino ba ako? Nang ako lang.
Wow.
Ano bang gusto kong ginagawa? Nang ako lang. Kasi yung nakita ko sa sarili ko, kung ano interest ng boyfriend ko, yun yung gagawin ko.
Ang hirap nga nun.
Oo, chameleon. Kung ano siya, yun ako. Tapos gusto ko yung, ako yung girlfriend ni ganyan. Ako yung girlfriend ni ganyan. Gusto ko, yun yung identity ko. Gusto ko may, alam mo yun? Tapos parang, wait, sino nga ba ako? So, itong year na to, ito yun talagang, okay, wala akong boyfriend talaga. Mag-1 year na. Wala
Happy
talaga.
anniversary.
Happy anniversary to me. Ano bang gusto kong gawin? Nagda-drive, pumunta akong La Union mag-isa. Kinaya ko mag-drive to Baguio. Kaya ko pala. Tapos, alam mo yun, nadidiscover mo yung things na dati, ayoko talaga ng whiskey on the rocks. Tapos ngayon, ay, gusto ko na pala ng whiskey on the rocks. Dati gusto ko cheesecake. Ngayon, ay, chocolate cake na pala yung gusto ko. Yung kahit
mga favorites.
kahit yung simpleng things like that. And then, biglang, I never considered myself to be athletic. Tapos ngayon, sobrang hilig ko na sa working out. Sobrang, na hindi ako ganun before. Na I think I would not have the courage to know kung hindi ko pinut yung myself out there.
Yeah. Tsaka self talaga eh. Pagka ikaw lang mag-isa, doon mo malalaman kung ano ba talaga yung gusto ko pag ako lang. Like, what do you want?
What do you want?
Yeah.
At saka napansin mo yung theme ng buong episode na to. Ano bang gusto mo? Self-concept, diba?
Yeah.
Ang galing, ngayon ko lang siya napag-put together, diba?
Actually, itong podcast talaga,
para sa akin to, therapy.
Actually, madami nagsasabi na therapy din nila during interview. Parang yung mga realizations, nagko-connect.
Sobrang important pala yung tanongin mo sa sarili mo, ano bang gusto mo? Tapos yung word ko for this year, whenever you start the year, kasi gusto ko yung may one word ka na gusto ma-theme mo to, intentionality. Kasi for example, in dating, alam ko naman yung gusto ko. Gusto ko ganto, ganyan.
Ano nga ba yung gusto mo? Sabihin natin.
I want to find someone who makes, like a partner na, like partner kayo, equal kayo. Ayoko na nung may parang, ayoko yung may alpha, may under, hindi, yung equal partners
Partners
kayo.
talaga.
Oo.
Like, supporting each other.
Oo, like magaling ka, magaling ako. Yung strengths and weakness natin, i-complement natin sa isa't isa. Kasi gusto ko ng taong nakakatawa. Like, ngayon ko lang talaga na-realize na humor is such an important part of me na yung friends ko nakakatawa. Kailangan yung partner ko rin nakakatawa. As in, patawanan mo ako. Gusto ko yung someone na may quiet confidence. Yung alam niyang magaling siya, pero hindi siya insecure.
Hindi boastful.
Hindi boastful. Kasi hindi siya insecure. Kasi yung personality ko sobrang laki. I have such a big personality na yung ibang tao parang feeling siguro nila parang ano ba yan, na-overshadow siya. Yung gano'n, na parang, no, I want someone who's so secure in themselves. Na sige, go, do you, shine. And I will shine in my own way. Let's shine together. Kasi girl, meron akong naging ex na parang pagkasama ko yung friends niya, nasabihin niya sa akin, can you tone it down? Kasi hindi mo ka-wavelength yung friends ko. Ganyan. Or nahihiya yung kapatid ko kapag kasama kasi ang lakas ng tawa mo. Parang, so ako, mag-a-adjust ako, ganyan, parang, edi sobrang pinapaliit ko yung sarili ko to fit in, na-realize ko, hindi lang talaga tayo compatible. Baka gusto mo ng babaeng tahimik. Oo. Gusto mo ng babaeng demure. Gusto mo ng babaeng pag tumawa. Hindi ako ganon. Parang, bakit ko ba tinatry maging ganong tao? Hindi ako ganon eh. So, go, be free. Look for who's compatible with you. And I'll look for who's compatible with me. Parang, meron akong nakitang artwork no na parang may isang kahon, tas may maliit na tao dito. Ito yung bahay niya. Tas may malaking tao. Tas pinagkakasya niya sarili niya sa kahon. Sabi niya, I fit. See, I fit in your world. Let me in. I fit. At naging linya ko yun sa ex ko. Sabi ko, papasukin mo naman ako sa mundo mo. Papasukin mo ako. Na, no, we don't have to beg. We don't have to beg for someone to love us or accept us. Kasi like, with me and Ashley, or yung parang, di ba, na with the right friends, you don't have to make yourself small. You can simply arrive. You can simply just be.
Yeah.
Parang hindi, ito ako, take me as I am. We don't have, bakit mo kailangan baguhin sarili mo to be loved? Gusto mo ba talaga yun na kailangan mong baguhin sarili mo to be loved? Or do you want to be loved as you are?
Yeah.
So yun. So that's what I want. Tapos, so ngayon, gusto ko na yung one word ko for the year, intentionality. Kasi alam ko naman yung gusto ko eh. Bakit, ito yung gusto ko, bakit paligoy-ligoy ako, hindi yun yung ginagawa ko? Dapat, okay, if I'm going to date, I wanna date smart. Na, sige, may mga kumakausap sa'yo, but be intentional.
Yeah. Implementation na lang yung kulang. Yun na lang.
Implementation.
Yes.
Diba yung parang, alam mo na nga yung theory, i-practice mo.
Yeah.
Be intentional about it. So, not just in dating, but also with your dreams. Kung may pangarap ka, alam naman, sabi ka lang sabi ng pangarap mo, hindi, do something about it. Attend workshops or ask around, paano ka ba makakapunta doon. Ikaw, ano yung one word mo for the year? Kung ako, intentionality.
Kasi yung sa akin, hindi siya one word yung ginagawa ko. Parang two words, sa parang identity.
Okay.
Yung sa akin, yung mga past ko, parang growth and finances.
Okay.
This year ko, smart and chic.
Ganon. Love it. Bakit smart and chic?
Kasi parang gusto kong mas mag-aral with the things that I want to, parang gusto kong mag-explore ng mga topics. Tapos gusto kong alamin parang ano ba tong deeper knowledge about it. May mga ganon. Tapos chic, kasi gusto kong mag-rebrand din.
I love it.
Parang mas chic na parang mas put together and ganong level.
Like right now, you're so
Thank you.
beautiful and
Thank
you're so
you.
smart.
You are too. You're so beautiful and smart.
I love it.
So yun, parang yun yung gusto ko na parang nagawa ko naman yung before. Thankfully, parang feel ko naman na mayroong growth. Tsaka finances ko last year was the best I've had.
I love it.
So far. So, sobrang thankful. So, ngayon, gusto kong i-rebrand na parang gano'n naman. I want to be this kind of a woman. Parang women empowerment kind of self-love person. Ganon din. So, ayun yung sa akin.
Thank you for sharing.
Welcome.
Ganda, ganda.
So, yun yung sa'yo, intentionality. And then, meron naman sa'yo, businesses mo. Gusto ko rin pag-usapan yung past business mo na Aral Trip. It was a co-working. So, how was that for you? Like, why did you choose to go into business?
Pandemic din, before the pandemic din, 2019, so I left my job at ABS kasi nang full-time ako na master's sa Ateneo for psychology. And then, sabi ko, sakto nang back to school ako, parang ang ganda ako magkaroon ng co-working space na doon ka na mag-aral hanggang gabi. Kasi sobrang nerd ko.
I mean, it aligns.
Sobrang nerd ko. As kasama ko best friend ko doon, si Aubrey, na oh my God, ikakasal na siya bukas.
Congrats!
To her.
Yeah.
Congrats, Aubrey.
Kinasal na siya pag na-release to. Pero congrats pa din.
Oh my gosh, bukas na siya ikakasal.
Oo.
Imagine, like, 2019, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tama ba? 6 years ago?
Oh.
6 years ago na yung pandemic. Oh my God. What the hell? So yun, kami ni Aubrey, we made that co-working spaces. It went well. Tapos biglang after a few months, boom, 2020, pandemic. Walang magko-co-working space during pandemic. So we had to close it down. 1 year, parang 2021 din siya nag-close. It was 1 year. So matagal din yun. Tapos I remember, parang naging baby project namin yun sa Maginhawa.
Yeah.
So parang, alam mo yung proud na ka na when you pass by that street, oh, that's my space, that's our thing.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, shit, ang sakit pala nun kapag next year, dumaan ako sa Maginhawa, tas hindi na siya aral trip. So for the longest time, I avoided passing by that street. Tapos eventually, I did. Sabi ko, oh, coffee shop na siya? Which is weird. You get what I mean? Na parang meron kang isang building dyan, na nandyan yung memories mo. Tapos parang,
Iba na.
nagbago ka na. Tapos after a few years, naging Mediterranean restaurant na siya. Tapos after a few years, iba na naman siya. Na ganun din talaga yung buhay, no? It just moves forward. It just goes on and on and on and on. Na gusto mo man lang mag-hold on, na wait, pwede bang co-working space ka lang, please? Pero hindi, kailangan yung maging Mediterranean restaurant, maging coffee shop. And feeling ko, if I held on to that co-working space, would I still be who I am now? Probably not. Na sometimes we have to let go of things to make room for other things. No, at the beginning of last year, nung I was going through a breakup, sobrang blindsided ko sa breakup na yun. Parang, bakit? Yung parang, ang saya-saya mo, tapos bilang, boom, di na pala kita mahal.
Hindi mo alam kung saan nanggaling.
Tapos yung masakit doon is, ikaw in love ka, tapos siya, matagal na palang nag-let go. So you feel like, you feel like parang, ay, iba ba tayo ng realidad? Ikaw, what I mean, iba pala tayo ng realities, na may ibang versions. O sige, tapos, wala na. As I remember, I was crying. And then I processed my feelings when I write. Sabi ko, alam ko naman gagawin ko eh. Alam ko naman na I survived. I have survived all the breakups I've ever been through. Alam ko naman na kailangan ko lang tong iiyak, i-feel, and then later on, I'll learn something and then I'll come out wiser. I know, but right now, it fucking hurts. It sucks. Why must towers crumble to make... Isa pa, ulitin natin yun.
Ganda. Ulit. Take 2.
Why must towers crumble to make space for something new? And why do we even have to lose parts of ourselves, especially parts we liked? Bakit? I like this. I like being this version. Tapos now I have to let go. Tapos, ang ganda-ganda na nung nagawa ko. Kailangan sirain, tapos gagawa na naman ng bago. Bakit? Kasi ako nang iyak na parang, can't love exist without pain? Can't we just be happy? Bakit to nangyayari? And then, nangyari yung 2024. Sobrang daming magagandang nangyari after the pain. And I'm like, oh,
Kaya pala. And then when the co-working space closed, diba, that's when comedy and acting and all this opened for you, no?
Nag-showbiz ako.
Yeah. Ang ganda. Na, minsan we have to let life be.
Oo, let life be.
Yeah.
Na gustong-gusto mong panghawakan, pero hindi, let go.
Merong mas better.
Yan. Yeah, so sabi ko, so tingnan niyo yung Instagram ko, nobela yung mga journals ko doon. Meron akong pinost doon na, towers do have to crumble to make space for something better. And hindi mo alam na you're making foundation for something stronger.
Yeah.
So yes, go, crumble, go, and something else will rise from it.
And then now you have another business, which is the Sunny Habit.
Sunny Habit.
How is that naman? How did that
Thank you.
start?
So I really, really love working out. So meron akong best friend, si Lily. We love working out din. So, gumawa kami ng gymwear line. And so, may mga skirts kami ngayon. Please check it out. Sunny Habit Activewear. So, ang cute lang din kasi hindi naman ako sporty buong buhay ko. Tapos ngayon, personality ko na siya. Gusto ko na palang nagsusports. Gusto kong naging athletic. So, ang galing. You can always rebrand yourselves.
Nakita ko sa isang post mo na parang you wanted to be cute while working out. Tapos, kasi wala masyadong ganon. Parang more of, parang mukhang pang tennis yung sa inyo, di ba? Kasi court.
It's a sport, but ginagamit ko siya for pole dancing. So, I do pole. Ginagamit ko dun siya for lifting. Yung iba sa paddle, sa tennis. Running, pwede rin. Pinang-surf ko nga siya nung isang araw.
Kaya kahit sa gym, anywhere naman, pwede siya. Anong material ba niya?
Nylon spandex, yeah.
Okay. So, for anywhere talaga.
For anywhere. Tsaka yung parang the whole concept of it is, kaya mo siyang gamitin even outside working out. Like, kahit casual day lang.
Yeah. Pwede kang, pumorma. Kahit pupunta ng gym, after, pwede ka pang mag-date. Ganyan.
Yeah, correct.
So, bukod sa working out, ano pa yung hobbies mo?
Sobrang hilig kong magsulat. Magbasa.
What do you write? Bukod sa journaling, do you write mga stories?
Stories. Pangarap kong makasulat ng children's book.
Ang sana magawa mo rin yun. Bucket list.
Ikaw, ano pangarap mo?
Madami. Isa sa pangarap ko, magkaroon ng billboard sa EDSA.
I love it.
Yes.
Girl, kayang-kaya yan this
Thank you.
year.
Sana.
Kaya
Ewan ko kung this year, pero
Kaya
sana.
yan.
Alam mo, nasa ko siya, vision board ko siya.
I love it.
Kinedit ko yung mukha ko sa isang billboard.
Girl, ang
pinrint
ganda.
ko.
Ang ganda.
Thank you,
Anong
thank you.
brand?
Walang brand, walang specific. Pero, ayun, parang face ko yun nandun. Tapos bahala na kung anong brand man.
Ang ganda.
Yung,
The pillow talk.
Kaya na magkakaroon ng billboard. Sana, we'll see. I'm not particular naman with the brand. Basta gusto ko, as much as possible, aligned with my values talaga, yung mga nagagawa kong projects, as much as possible. So, ayun. Sana aligned with myself, with my branding. So, ayun.
I'm so excited for you.
Thank
Sana
you.
one day habang nagda-drive ako.
Nakita ko.
At saka, alam mo yung, visit ko sa traffic. Ay, si Jerry Lee. Ang ganda naman niya. Happy
Thank
for you,
you.
girl.
Thank you. Sana. Ano pa ba yung, goals mo pa nga this, coming year? Well, this year.
Well, gusto ko talagang i-establish sarili ko sa comedy. So, I've done TV series. I'm praying for more shows this year. Pangarap ko magka-movie. So, sana magka-comedy movie. Of course, Chicks to Go. Sana mag-grow pa yung comedy podcast namin ni Ashley. Yeah.
And then, like, as a... parang naging job interview in 5 years.
CV, no?
Mga in 5 years. Ano pa yung hindi. Sabi mo kasi gusto mong mag-expand ng genre. So, sana magka-action film tayo.
Comedy action.
Oo. So, yun. Good luck with that. Isa rin sa goals ko yun. Alam mo, sa isang vision board ko din, in-edit ko yung self ko na spy akong ganyan.
I love it.
Tapos yung mukha ko yung nakalagay.
I love it. I love it.
Ganong level ng pag-vision. Ganyan.
Ang ganda.
Thank you. So, yun. So, pero ikaw nga, like yung siguro long-term na goal for you, ano yung naiisip mo pa?
Alam mo, hirap na hirap ako when someone asks me, like, what are your goals in the next 5 years? Kasi 5 years ago, ibang-iba buhay ko.
Okay.
5 years ago, I wasn't even in showbiz.
Oo nga. True.
So, parang, pwede ba yun? Can you live life na present lang? Yung ganon. Like, kailangan ba? Like, sinasabi nga nila, dapat may game plan ka, dapat may goal ka, ganyan, may direction ka. What if, okay, I want to grow, I'm manifesting it now in the universe na I want to grow in comedy, I want to build my name there, establish my roots in Philippine comedy. I don't know where it's going to take me in 5 years. I don't know, but that's what I want to do.
So, nothing specific, pero basta like grand scale, ganyan. Which I think is beautiful din, na you're open to whatever life throws at you din nga.
Kasi parang feeling ko, nandun din yung magic ng buhay eh. Na, hindi ba ang magical yung minsan you just let life lead you to where you're supposed to be. Kesa parang, hindi, dapat nandito ako.
Yeah.
Nandito ako. Even in relationships, na parang, sometimes maganda na, okay, you just let someone pass through and you let go.
Yeah.
Yun na yun. Wag ka nang mag-hold on. Please, please, please stay, please stay. Hindi.
Mhm.
The right people, they won't leave.
Yeah.
The right opportunities will come to you.
True. Ang ganda nga nung parang very open. Actually, yung mga last 3 siguro na interviews, parang ganun din. Very open to whatever comes na lang. I think with me, like, I plan little bits and pieces din. Pero I also don't know what I'm gonna do next week. Like, ano ba, as a freelancer, like, I don't know what will, happen or what job can, appear. So, ang ganda, feeling ko it's a balance din of, we need to plan something, pero we need to be open to whatever comes din. Parang
Ang
ganon.
ganda nun. Ang ganda
Ay,
nung
thank
the
you.
right balance.
Oo.
So,
It's a balance lang in life.
I love it.
Thank you. And ikaw naman, if may mabibigay kang advice for people in terms of embracing their individuality, what would you tell people?
You know, everyone is so busy thinking of themselves, so just do you.
Mhm.
Na parang sobra tayong inhibited, sobra tayo, oh my God, baka i-judge tayo, baka ito isipin nila, blah, blah, blah. But the fact is, the empowering fact is they don't care. Nobody cares. And if they do care, makakalimutan ka na rin within 24 hours.
Yes.
Parang wala silang pakialam sa'yo, gawin mo lang yan. And kung may pakialam sila sa'yo, ibig sabihin, wala silang life. Diba? Like,
Or
live your own life.
it's din yung the way people, yung mga bashers, it's a reflection more of themselves, not
Tama.
the people they're bashing, technically.
Like, tama. Like,
Mm-mm.
for example, laging binabash yung tawa ko na ang OA daw, ang annoying. Parang talaga ba, kahit makita mo yung taong nagsasaya at nag-e-enjoy,
Oo.
you have something to say about that.
Oh, baka hindi
Diba?
sila makatawa freely, kaya binabash nila yung laughter mo. Sinecologize. Hindi ko sure, pero
tama.
yun, it's
Oo.
on them talaga.
Oo.
Baka they're not free to be, happy or show their happiness
Oo.
that freely. So baka may
That's-
mga ganon, diba?
That's a very meaningful insight. Kasi parang may nag-comment din sa podcast. Kasi in-open up ko rin nga yun na parang people binabash nga yung laugh ko. Tapos may nag-open sa podcast na, actually yung tawa mo nga, ang sarap pakinggan kasi ang laya.
Yeah.
Tapos gustong-gusto ko yung word na yun, malaya. Ang laya. And yung pagiging malaya, it starts by accepting na we will never be everyone's cup of tea. Like, people will always say something about
Yes.
that. Tumawa ka ng malakas, they'll say something about that. Tumawa ka ng tahimik, they'll say something about that. Magdoktor ka, hindi ka magdoktor.
Meron pa rin.
Mag-shorts ka, magpantalon ka. Anything you do, people will say. So just do you.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Yes.
As long as wala kang
Going back to that.
As long as wala kang inaapakang iba. And one of the most important pieces of advice I've ever received from a friend was, do not listen to the opinions of people you won't take advice from.
Gets.
So, halimbawa, may basher ka. Ito, blah, 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 blah. Masyado kang chururut. Wait, idol ba kita? Gusto ko ba yung buhay mo?
Ititake ko ba yung advice mo?
Ititake ko ba yung advice
Hindi
mo?
naman eh.
Hindi. Doon ka lang sa opinion ng mga taong, I have so much respect for you. Yung values mo, pareho tayo. Pareho tayo ng paninindigan, ng values, ng prinsipyo, ng ano. Oh yeah, I'll take your advice. I'll listen to your opinion kasi alam ko na you care for me.
Yeah.
Pero if hindi, huwag na.
Tsaka alam mo, yung mga ganon, like, if they're gonna, constructive criticism, yung mga ganong type of person na if you're gonna take advice from them, alam mo yung opinions nila, parang, okay, maganda yung intention nito.
Oo.
Parang ganun, to help talaga. Tsaka ang ganda rin ng yung sinabi mo na, yung i-judge din tayo ng tao, kahit anong gawin natin. Yung theology prof ko nung college, yun din yung sinabi. Parang may pa-activity pa and everything. Parang nag-ask siya ng volunteer. Tapos, may mga ayaw mag-volunteer. Tapos sinang niya, bakit? Kasi ma-judge daw, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos yun din, yung sinabi mo din, na bakit mo isipin yun? Kahit ano naman gawin mo, i-judge ka pa rin ng tao. Tapos simula din nun, mas nag-let go din ako. Feeling ko hindi pa fully, kasi meron pa akong mga walls din. Pero, ang ganda nung isipin na parang, kahit ano naman talaga gawin mo edi go.
Yeah.
Basta nga, your intentions are good, do it. Kasi yun nga magiging mas malaya ka.
Ang ganda.
Ang ganda.
Aww.
Ang ganda. Thank you for
Thank
sharing.
you. Here's to a more malaya na 2026. 5. Advanced search.
What do you want to do?
Mag 2026 na tayo, pagod na ako.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Hershey,
you,
for
Jenny.
being here and for sharing. Sobrang sarap mo kausap, sobrang lalim. Funny na, intellectual pa.
I love
Bumble
it.
ulit.
Bumble ulit. Ikaw din yun. You're so
Aw,
funny and
thank you.
intellectual.
Back to you.
Back to you.
You're such a great host then. Totoo. Pero yun, thank you.
You're a
thank
great
you.
host.
Thank
Aw,
you.
thank
Oh,
you.
thank you so much, dreamers. Good night.